Hey everyone, welcome to another video walkthrough here with 66 Property. Today I'm standing in the lawn here, on the lawn at a dream cottage village, and we're going to look at this beautiful little bungalow, 2-bedroom bungalow. Now if you don't know, you're watching a 360 video, 360 VR video right now. If you're on your phone, you can move the phone around, or you can use your finger to change the viewing angle. Or you can use your mouse on a computer to change the viewing angle. You can look all around me right now, so you don't have to look at me, but you can look at the beautiful surrounding area of where we are right now. So Dream Cottage Village is a small private community of around 12, 13 houses with a shared pool over there. We have this really nice organic garden area and this lawn over here with many fruit trees. We've got common area right over there as well, right in front of this nice bungalow, 2-bedroom, single-story bungalow. A great place, very peaceful location here in Nam Phrae, Hang Dong, Chiang Mai. So let's go inside and take a look. As you can see, there's this little outside patio area here, which also has grass and tiles as well. And over here we have a little bit of garden as well to keep nice green colors all around and give you some space. All right, let's walk over here. Now if you move the camera around a little bit, then you can get a better view from here as well. You can also see outside over there what it looks like. This really nice area over here where you can relax in the daytime, in the evening times, sit, read a book, sit with your laptop. All right, let's go inside, guys, and I will show you this little cute little place here. Very nice. This is for rent at a very cheap rate. Check the description for the price. So here we have nice little, locally made furniture, quite comfortable. Big TV, 65-inch TV, guys. Android TV over there. Dining table here, kitchen over here. Western style kitchen here with also cabinet space at the top end over here, top part, and then an extractor fan, microwave, etc. A few appliances as well. Over here we have the bedrooms over there, but I'm just going to give you a view over here, and you can kind of move the camera around to take a proper look at this place. This is about 72 square meters. Now if we move over here into one of the bedrooms here, this is made a little holiday style, but this built-in wardrobes are quite nice here. Lots of storage space here. As you can see, lots of storage here. These are actually quite expensive, because these are sourced from a built-in company. So these are about 80,000, 40,000 baht worth of built-in. All right, let's go into the second bedroom over here. So here you also have some nice space. The bedroom, very similar to the other one. There's aircon in every room. Bedrooms and living room area, as you can see. Daikin aircons over here. So high quality inverter aircons that don't cost a lot in electricity. All right, let's move into the bathroom. So here we have the wash basin here, which is separate from the toilet and the bathroom itself, the shower area itself. Over here we got the toilet, and over here we have the shower area with a rain shower. So I'm just going to move out here. You can take a look around as I'm moving out. This is amazing technology, guys. 66 Property is the first agency in Chiang Mai to utilize 360 video for your viewing pleasure, so you can, in a much more convenient manner, take a look around at the properties that we have on offer, and decide whether you want to come in for an extra viewing or not. It's going to make it much easier for you guys to decide on various properties that we have on offer. All right, over here I want to go and just show you really quickly the laundry room. We have a small laundry room here as well. It's a little bit dirty right now, but this is what it looks like. There's a wash basin, sink, and then the laundry, the washing machine itself. Guys, I just want to show you Dream Cottage Village swimming pool area. Here it is. This is the shared swimming pool here. This is a 10 times 4 meter swimming pool, and you have over there, you have your nice relaxing area. You want to catch some sun. There's a table there as well, so you can socialize, you can sit there, read a book, get a tan. Really nice. Oh, nice to cool down. Toilets right over here. Over there we have a sala where you can also relax under the, get some shade if it's too hot. And let me take you over there and show you the barbecue area real quick. I'm gonna run over. You can run with me. You can get to see, as you can see here at Dream Cottage, there's lots of parking. So lots of parking if you have a car. There's also motorbikes here for hire. If you need to rent a cheap motorbike, you can do that as well. We're only about 7 minutes from the Grand Canyon. All right, I'm walking over to the duck pond. Make my way over here. So this is the duck pond. Another really great common area here at Dream Cottage Village. As you can see, nice and pleasant. Usually there's ducks running around here. And this is the barbecue area itself. And there's lots of tables here, a nice couch, barbecue over there. Oh, you can see the ducks right over there. So really, you have so many nice common areas here at Dream Cottage Village. And the price you're paying for renting here is really quite cheap and really great value. Here's the kitchen. This is the kitchen for the barbecue area itself. So you can use this area to prepare food and meats and stuff like that. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. If you're interested in Dream Cottage, then please do get in touch with us. It's a beautiful place. And if you're interested in other stuff, then do check our website, 66properties.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.